Boston keeps dropping overnight to about the upper 20s, but remember, the winds are strong as well. Worcester drops to about 20, and with that wind, that's going to make it feel like single digits. Tomorrow in the afternoon, the wind will be down a little bit. So the temperature a little above freezing won't feel too bad. Certainly won't be anywhere near the way it was today. Worcester probably won't quite get back to the freezing mark. All right, the next potential system, this is interesting. That's a little disturbance here just south of Omaha, a little strip of snow. So it's going to move to the southeast, then the east, then the northeast. Most of its energy stays south of us. So we're right on the northern fringe of that snow area. And that would be from the wee hours of the morning on Friday till about noontime. So during Friday morning, there's a chance that the morning commute will be slippery. The most likely place for that to be most significant would be down on Cape Cod, farthest south. Here's the idea with the snow. See how the snow is, in this particular computer model, mostly confined to Plymouth and Cape Cod? So on this computer model, that's where the accumulation will be. However, there are other possibilities where it could come somewhat farther north than that, at least the area of light snow. If that happened, we could even get an inch or two in Boston and about 3 or so on the Cape. Right now, I'm kind of splitting the difference and saying we'll have anywhere from nothing up to an inch close to Boston, 1 to 2 inches when you get down toward Plymouth, with a potential of 2 to 4 inches for the Cape and the islands. All right, let's check out the next 7 days for you. It's all about colder temperatures. I should also mention that late Saturday and Saturday night, another system will do a similar type of thing. So it's southeastern Mass and the Cape, possibly the east coast of Mass. There's the best chance of getting a period of snow from late Saturday to very early Sunday. Very cold over the weekend, very cold early Monday, and by the middle of next week, it looks like a milder pattern will start to settle in for a little while.